Looking for an effortless way to earn money, gift cards, and cash rewards? Look no further. In this video, I'll reveal the secret to earning cash, gift cards, and exciting rewards by simply completing fun and easy tasks. Whether it's taking paid surveys, playing your favorite games, or participating in raffles, this free app has it all. Get ready to unlock a world of possibilities with this app. Before we start, subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated. I share incredible methods to make money online that can be done from anywhere in the world. Comment below with your country and I'll create specific videos tailored for your region. Let's dive right in. Imagine getting paid for doing things you already enjoy. With Play4Loot app, you can earn money, gift cards, and cash rewards effortlessly. It's time to turn your downtime into profitable moments. Say goodbye to the days of mindlessly scrolling without any benefits. With Play4Loot app, you can now make every minute count by completing simple tasks that actually pay off. Imagine earning extra cash while waiting for your coffee or during your daily commute. Play4Loot allows you to earn money, gift cards, and cash rewards by doing simple tasks. Earn from the comfort of your home. Earn money every day from anywhere on your phone. Take a survey and earn rewards while on the bus or train. Making money has never been this easy. Take advantage of regular giveaways and seasonal events. Earn extra money during the holidays and win free gift cards. Win with the weekly raffle and get extra rewards for being on top of the leaderboard. But that's not all. This app also offers a user-friendly interface and provides a secure platform for all your transactions. Rest assured knowing that your rewards will be delivered safely and efficiently. You can redeem your rewards by PayPal Cash, Amazon gift card, Xbox gift card, Netflix gift card, Google Play gift card, and iTunes gift card. Join the thousands of satisfied users who have already unlocked the potential of this amazing app. Start earning money and rewards today. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Download the app now and start earning with just a few simple taps. In the end, thank you for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyed it, we would greatly appreciate your support. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with others who may benefit from it as well. Your support means a lot to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos like this one.